Good morning. For our self-start, let's start by going over how to do the basic proportion. We've got x over 3 equals 5 over 8. We're going to times the diagonal. So the two that are diagonal, that's what we're timesing, and divide by the other number. 3 times 5 is 15, divided by 8. You always find the two diagonal times, divide by the other one. 3 times 5 divided by 8 is 1.875. Okay. Is y equals x plus 5 proportional? And if it is, what is the COP? The plus 5 makes it not proportional, so it is not proportional. We can still fill in the table. 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 5 is 8, but it doesn't go through 0, 0, so it's not proportional. Y equals 2x is proportional. It's got that y equals rate x. 0 times 2 times 0. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, etc. Okay. Today's COVID meme. Reminder, tomorrow is your first feedback on proportions. Come prepared, ready to go. It is also the end of our trimester 1 celebration. So tomorrow we're going to be watching some movies at the end of the day. It should be great. Classes will be short. We'll have time to do the feedback, turn the homework, and just maybe do a quick review, quizzes or something. Today we're doing a self-start. We're using graphs and tables to determine the COP. COP, of course, stands for constant of proportionality. And we're using the constant of proportionality to create a proportional relationship or equation. Quick review of what we know so far. For a graph is proportional if it's a straight line that goes through 0, 0. You find the COP, you find where x equals 1, whatever that is going to be your COP, whatever y is when x equals 1. For an equation, you've got y equals 5x or 7x or whatever. Okay, so then your constant of proportionality is whatever that number is. For a table, we're looking for two things. We're looking for if it is 0, 0 on the table. If it's 0, 5 or 0, 7 or something, it is not proportional. Second thing we're looking for is how to find the COP. And that's a new one for today. You're going to find the COP by dividing y by x. We're going to do some practice with that here in a minute. So that is, if you know how to do everything on this slide, you're golden for tomorrow. Okay, the COP is y divided by x. So let's just look at the graph. We want to know what the heck 1 is. And there's not a 1 on this graph, but COP is y divided by x. So we go up to 9, over to 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my COP is 3. My equation would be y equals 3x. This one we go up to 30 over to 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5, so my equation will be y equals 5x. But wait, what if you went up to 60 and over to 12? Well, 60 divided by 12 is also 5. That's constant because it's always the same. That's what that constant means, is it's the same. 25 divided by 5, 6 divided by 1. Okay. So for a table, it's the same concept. You can do y divided by x. So on this one, you can pick any y you want. I like 100 divided by 10. I think that's the easiest. That's 10. But 60 divided by 6 is also 10. And 70 divided by 7 is 10. And 80 divided by 8 is 10. And 30 divided by 3 is 10. So no matter which one you picked, 10 is my COP. This one, I can pick any one I want. I like dividing by 10 best, so that's what I'm going to pick. 2020 divided by 10 is 202. 808 divided by 4, also 202. I can pick whichever one I want. Pick the easy one on the table. Y divided by x, 32 divided by 2 is 16. 80 divided by 5 is 16. Now, this one, 7 divided by 11, 5 divided by 9. Oh, they're not equal to each other. This one is not proportional. There is not a COP on this one. Okay, for your homework today, you're going to log in to Pearson Digits, Canvas, or through ClassLink. It's called Savus, SuccessNet. There's like 25 names for it. Find Savus on ClassLink, SAVVAS. Click on it, and then there's a video on how to log in, and your assignment will be there. That's your homework for today. Have a good day. Bye.